Hey guys, welcome back to a super easy tutorial video about how to make a calendar for yourself on MS Word. So this would not require you to download any other new app on your phone or go over typical softwares to manage your day, meetings, work assignments on any calendar. You just need MS Word and 10 minutes of your time and you will be done. Yes guys, it's that easy. So no more apps needed eating up your phone memory. Before we start, please hit the red color subscribe button. It's free. Press the bell icon and do like, comment and share the video. It really motivates me to make new videos. So guys, first we have to go at insert. After clicking on insert, we have to click on table. Then choose 6 by 7 table. I am taking 7 by 6 because it is the formal or official size for calendar. So we will write the dates and the days. So guys, I have written the dates and the days. So now we will stretch it to down. It looks good, and now we'll again click on insert and then we'll click on pictures and then this device. And then we'll choose our image, the background image. You can choose any of your image or you can take the image which I have given you in the description box. So yeah, but there's a problem over here. When we insert the image gets fit into the table and ruins our whole calendar. For that, we'll click on right of the image and then behind text, and now it looks good. After that, we'll rotate this image to 90 degrees like this. Then we'll shift it to the top left corner and then stretch it to down like this. Okay, and then we'll take our calendar and move it to downwards like this. Now it looks good, and now we'll stretch this again. Okay guys, now it looks good. And now what we'll do is that remove the borders on this image, because then it would not look so good, and when we'll remove the borders then it would look really good. So for that we have to go on design again and then go on borders and then no borders, click on no borders. Okay, looks good. Now we'll give color to them and a good font size and a good color to them. So for that we'll choose from Monday to Saturday, we'll give it white color, and then the font will be Roboto and the text size would be 12. And the days also will give the same, the number of days, and yeah, for Sunday and the dates and the day of Sunday will give it the color yellow, and the day I will give the font Roboto and the text would be of 12 size, and the dates like this 29, 31 will give them the font Roboto and the text size will be 24 or 22 or whatever you would like to. I would prefer 22 to you. Okay, so now, and one more thing, like we have 2 days from previous month and the 3 days or 2 days like over here for September 2020 we have 3 days for the following month and the 2 days for the last month. So we'll give them a color like 29, 30 from the last month, we'll give them a dark green color which would be able to help people to identify that okay, these were the days for the last month, and so for the next month. Okay, and now we'll give them the font and the size. After giving it a color and a good font, what we'll do is that we'll align them on the center. For that we'll have to select all of it and then go on layout and then click on the center option. Perfect. And now what we'll do is that after aligning them on the center, we'll give them a line of border something in between of the days and the date, which would look really good. So for that what we'll do is that we'll select all of it again and then we'll have to go to design and then border and shading and click over here in between of the 4 boxes kind of thing, and then give it a color which I would suggest you would be like any color you can choose, but probably you can choose any dark color, like I'll take that green dark color. So yeah, it looks good now. And then what we want, guys, this is an important part which I'm telling you, so please focus on that. Guys, like whenever you make like a calendar, what's the use of a calendar? The use of the calendar is basically that you need to schedule some things. Okay, so like you have an appointment of to go to barber or to go to any doctor, so you have to like point the date in your physical calendar. So we'll do that in this MS Word calendar. What we have to do that on this Tuesday, Wednesday, or whenever you have any appointment, you can just highlight the number. So guys, we'll mark it the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or any date which you want as the appointment schedule. So I'll tell you how to do that. So for that we'll click on any day, Tuesday, for example I'm taking. So we highlighted number 1, the day 1, and then we'll click on insert and then on link. So you might be having any of your appointment schedule, so choose that document, like for example let me show, wait. So guys, yeah, so I am choosing this document, the appointment schedule. So you can see that it is highlighted to blue color, which means that a link has been added on this number. So like this you can make any day appointment schedule by linking it. So I'll tell you, like if I'll click on this link, what will happen? It is saying to open this link. To open this link we have to click control and then we have to click on this, yeah. So we have to click yes, and then see where we come with our appointment schedule. I've just made this like this reference. You can make it properly in any document like Excel, Word, Outlook, or anywhere where you want. So like this is your appointment today with 10 AM with Dr. Cooper, 12 noon do meditation. Like this you can hyperlink with the appointment schedule. Yeah, after you click on the link it will become purple color. Okay, so now you have to know that for which month, for which year we are making this particular calendar. So for that what we'll do is that first we will make it small so that you guys can easily see it. Yeah, perfect. So for that you have to go on insert and then click on text box, then simple text box, and then you can see over here a text box as from the MS Word has come, and we'll write, wait, let me zoom in, we'll write September 2020. For September 2020 we are making this. So after that we'll take this over here like this. Guys, now we'll give the September 2020 a font and a good color, so I'll meet you after that. So guys, I'll do a magic for you guys. So we have to select this and then click on shape fill, then gradient, click on no fill and then shape outline, no outline. So like this we can remove the background of the text. Isn't it amazing? So guys, like this, our calendar for September month 2020 is completely ready. So guys, here is your calendar ready for the month of September. You can click on any day of the month and see your appointment schedule for that day. On the schedule, you can insert a picture too for reminding you of any birthday, anniversary, etc. Interesting part is that you can link your appointment schedule, made not only in Notepad but on MS Word, Excel or any other platform. The font, the colors and rest of the customization to your calendar is completely your choice. You can skip it and make a bare minimum one as well with the hyperlinks. Or you can do as much customization as you want. That's another flexible and personalized way of making a calendar on MS Word, as I discussed in the video. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Meet you in the next video.